Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate average in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have some student data with the different subject score. So here I'm going to calculate the average score. So simply select the cell, use the is equal to and just enter the average. Select the average functions and select the numbers. So I select here with the drag with the mouse and select here all score of the all subjects. B2 to D2. B is a B column, 2 for second row number 2, and D is the last column, D2. Okay, bracket closed and enter. Just select the cell, drag below the formula, and here you see the average is calculated. Okay, so decrease the decimal, you just select a cell, go to the home tab. In numbers group, have a two option, increase decimal and decrease decimal. Just click on the decrease decimal and you can see the changes over here. The decimal is decrease. Okay. The second way, simply select the cell. Use to Ctrl 1, the shortcut key, open the format cell. And here click on the number category, in category number. And see here in sample and decimal is 2. You just click on this arrow to increase and decrease the decimal, and you enter here the manually also. And after that click on OK, and that's it. So this is the two way you can decrease the decimal easily. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.